Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. If you enjoy these kind of updates, smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. And now let's get right in today's content. You guys know what's happening with the markets. We're seeing Bitcoin see continuation upside, especially after breaking above 25K. You know, things are looking extremely bullish for the markets. And today, as you guys know, we are going to be talking about FTM. If we're looking at the markets, you guys can see massive green day across the board, and it's just not today. It's been happening over the past 1 week now. But we're talking about Fantom, and you guys can see FTM right now is up 21% in the last 24 hours, and you guys can see FTM is clearly outperforming Bitcoin right now, which is a very impressive, and I will show you exactly what I mean right now and why it's impressive right now. Looking at the price of FTM right now, it is currently trading at 49 cents, up 20.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 10.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Look at the market cap approaching that $1.4 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $572.9 million. But now you guys know what we're here for. We're here for the price and see what are the next price targets we could be looking at and where is the price going in the immediate short term. But before we get into that, I just wanted to share this with you guys. It says just in Fantom ecosystem are now becoming the top one largest gainer of the week. The 11th week of the year is coming to an end, and FTM and protocols on FTM are outperforming everything, probably nothing. I've said this, I've been clear with you guys since the get-go that I believe, you know, considering all the blockchain projects, FTM is one of the ones that is currently undervalued, and I do believe it is going to be one of the top performers this next bull cycle. But with that said, as you guys know, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto, and time is only going to tell. But obviously the short-term price gains does show us the strength of the holders, the strength of the community, and how people are accumulating. Whales are accumulating. Big players are accumulating right now in the immediate short term. If we're looking at the price of FTM, this is a beautiful bounce towards the upside, and you guys can see, if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, if you picked up some FTM at that 30 cents after Bitcoin saw a retracement, you know, obviously when the USDC mania came through, you can see FTM is up about 60%. So, you know, just from 11th March, so that's not even a week, maybe a week's time, not even a week. In less than a week, you are already up 60% in Fantom. So that goes to show what good projects and the value they bring when it comes to, you know, gains, especially patience. Again, always say patience is very much needed. Patience is your number one key to follow. And if you have patience, you are going to be rewarded. I have said this in the past. You know, I regret not holding my FTM bags. I had insane amounts of FTM back in the day, you know, when it was below a penny. And I saw it hit over $3 last bull cycle, and I was kicking myself. But again, you win some and you lose some, but learn from me. You know, if you like a project and you really do believe that it is here to compete and it is here to, you know, deliver something big, and you see the vision, then, you know, patience is your number one key to follow. We think like, you know, we want instant gains, we want this, we want that coin's pumping, this, that. Never chase the green candles. Patience is your key. You know, invest in good projects, not scam projects, and never leverage trade. I cannot stress this enough because I care about each and every one of you guys, and I want my viewers to, you know, be the ones that are succeeding in this market. So if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see we are still down about 87% from all-time high. So if we're looking at the bigger picture, it looks like we have not even moved as of now. But, you know, things are looking insanely bullish for FTM. And I've said this and I'll say it again. You guys can see if we pop out of this level of resistance at 61.6 cents, which we got rejected back on February, you know, this is a massive level of resistance. If we actually break above there and actually close above there and get back into this blue zone, I can really see FTM ripping to that $1 price point pretty quick. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, $1 is currently about 106% away. And if you don't want to be picking up $100 and you do believe the FTM is going to get there, then dollar cost averaging in right now is the good thing to do. And obviously invest where you can afford to lose. Always diversify your portfolio. Don't put everything in FTM. That is totally not smart to do. Always have a diversified portfolio that makes up of large caps, mid caps, small caps being the riskiest ones, and mid cap medium risk, and the small caps do generally have a lower risk. But if we're looking at FTM, like I said, beautiful bounce towards the upside, finding a little bit of resistance around here. But if this Bitcoin momentum continues to go towards the upside, obviously we are entering the weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see a little bit of manipulation. So that is something we do need to keep in mind right now. But BTC dominance is increasing. So this is what I was telling you guys earlier is really impressive. You guys can see BTC dominance right now is increasing like crazy. That means altcoins are lagging behind, and the answer is clearly right there. You guys can see altcoins are not up that much, 6%, 5%. You will see one or two that is up double digits, and you can see this for yourself. We're seeing Stacks up 27%, up 102% in the last week. Wow. And you guys can see FTM is one of them, up 45.8%. So it is outperforming the overall market momentum right now, and things are looking extremely bullish right now. Obviously, we would love to see FTM retest and break this level of resistance, and I could see that happening. What would be the worst case scenario? Obviously, if Bitcoin were to see a retracement and this number continues to stay on the upside, then obviously we could see altcoins, bleed, and we could be supported by this range at that 41 cents mark, and also around this 30 cents mark. But I don't see that happening right now. Obviously, if Bitcoin were to fall, then yes, that is capable. But right now the momentum is extremely strong. Something is happening, and whales are definitely accumulating. That is no secret at this point, but I will keep you guys updated as to what is happening next. But these are the price targets we are looking at for FTM. As you guys know, I'm making FTM updates every other day, so I will see you guys on Sunday for the next FTM update. Come join the Crypto ZX army if you have not already. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these updates, and yeah, love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.